Okay, there he is. He's done. Got his cigars, his poncho, his hat. There's his spurs. This is the first gun I've done like that with the straps hanging. I think it came out pretty decent. You paint this stuff and it changes the whole looks of it, wire or string, either one. But all in all, I don't think he's too bad. He's got a decent face, he's got a good mean look on him. Anyway, that's what he looks like after he's painted. I think he came out pretty decent. Believe it or not. Alrighty, that does her.